So I just shared the story of my son with a client. I put him in hockey, and so he's on the arena playing hockey. Well, he wasn't playing hockey; he was skating. So wherever there was, the point of the game is to fight for the puck. So wherever all the kids will gather at the puck to see who gets it, he would skate over there and he would just turn away and go somewhere by himself. So he wasn't playing hockey. And he did that the whole game. We're like, come on, play. He was not interested in fighting for the puck. And that's his personality. And even when he would be playing, the kids would come home for a play date, they would snatch the toy away from him. He wouldn't fight to get it back. He would just look at them and say, maybe he would say, why did you do that? But he would just walk away somewhere else by himself where there was no conflict. And so he's a bit of a loner and he's a peaceful soul and he's totally happy being who he is. I remember even one time this neighborhood girl came over. She just adored him, just wanted to watch him and be with him. He actually told her, he said, can you go home now? And she said, okay. So it seems rude to do that. But the point of I'm trying to share with you that kids are so innocent. They don't have layers of societal programming on them. So they're just being truthful. Somewhere in our adult life, we step into a facade. We do what we are expected to do just so we can go with the norm. We don't want to stick out. But I wonder if it benefits anyone. Sure, there's a point where you want to blend in, you don't want to make a stir, and there's time and place for that. But I'm talking in general. Are we living our authentic real life, or are we living so people would leave us alone? So I have always found that when we become ourselves, we become truthful to ourselves, other people just come towards us. And many times we can be a source of inspiration because they're wondering, boy, how do you do that? I wish I could do what you do, right? So someone has to begin first and take the stand. And so it's always tuning into what is your truth? What is the real, raw truth? Can you accept that within yourself? And can you align the outer life with what is true for you? So I am teaching a course called 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, July 19th and 26th, Tuesdays, to 12 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a great course for you to step into your healing journey, to understand how to navigate the inner chatter, the inner world, and how to heal and how to be emotionally free from all the negative, painful emotions. The link is, I'm going to place it below the video. So do click the link, and I hope that you attend the course, because I'm telling you, the course is going to transform your life, is going to kickstart your healing journey. So do take a look.